Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing reviewing and unboxing of a PR product I got from KODIES GEL. I've done a review of their product before. This is the second time I'm getting a product from them. So this time around I was told to pick some items from the Aliexpress nail front storefront, sorry, and I got these beautiful colors from their Aliexpress store. They have a large color collection, and I just had to pick some of them. And I decided to try their Hema free products as well. And this is how the package came in. First of all, I love their bottle. Maybe because I'm a blink person, I love how metallic their bottle is, the shine. I just love it. I also love their product. This is what it looks like. The consistency is perfect. You can decide to go with just a coat and you're going to be okay. You can also decide to go with double coat and you'll be fine. So I'll be using these products to create some of these products to create a press-on set, and I hope you guys love what I'll be creating with them. So I got this self leveling rubber base gel from them. I'm going to, I don't know what I want to create with them, but now I'm going to create something beautiful. I decided to try their Hema free gel polish as well. This is it. This is what it looks like. Um, it's a beautiful nudish pink color, which I love, and I know you guys are going to love it as well. So if you like any of this product that I've received, or you like what you see, you like what you see, kindly go to the AliExpress storefront and pick whatever items that you love from their website. You are going to love it. They have beautiful colors, just like I said earlier. Beautiful colors, beautiful products. You're going to love it. I'm going to be leaving the link to their AliExpress storefront in my description box, so you can just click on it and go to the AliExpress store to get whatever you want. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician and a YouTuber currently based in Canada. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews like this, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. You can also turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video on my channel. I also got this beautiful purple glitters gel polish. It's a lovely one. I've not had something like this in a very long time. Most of my glitters gel polish I have or I've had are either silver or gold. That's like a universal color that I can use anywhere, and rose gold, yeah, but not something purple. I also got this rubber nail gel in a bottle in a beautiful nude color from KODIES GEL. And these beautiful glitters also came in a package as a free gift, which I like. That's everything in a package. Like I said earlier, I love the bottles of KODIES GEL products. It has this ombre, metallic ombre color, dark color at the base, and a light color at the tip. This is what the colors look like individually. So let's start working on the press-on set I'm going to be making. I'm going to be using this silver polish, silver drawing gel, and I'm going to be using the Hema free pink gel polish. So I'm going to start by applying the base coat on my already prepped nail tips. I picked this size for me because most times I use the press-on nails. So I already picked my size. I filed the tips. There's this sharp edge at the tips every time I filed it off, and I've buffed it because it's very important to buff the nail tips so that the base coat can adhere well or can stick well to the nail tips. So after applying, I want to make sure every part of the nail tips is covered, and I'll cure for 60 seconds. So I've cured that, and I'm already applying the Hema free pink gel polish. So for people that have allergic reactions to regular gel polish, they can opt for the Hema free gel polish, because with the Hema free gel polish, they have less risk of having allergic reaction. I had this customer one time um that I applied just gel polish for her on her natural nails. I applied gel polish for her every time, but this time she started her fingernail started swelling up around the cuticle area and the side wall area. It was so painful, it became so hard. And when she called me, I told her to come in to take out the gel polish, because that was not the first time I was doing a gel polish manicure for her, but that was the first time I was using that particular product. So instantly I knew she was having an allergic reaction to that particular gel polish. It was not my regular product. I just saw it on Aliexpress and I decided to try the colors they have because they had nice glittery colors. I decided to try it. So since that time, I stopped using that gel polish for anyone else, not even I alone. I stopped using for everyone else because I didn't want people to be calling me to complain about their allergic reaction. So if you're that kind of person that you can react to regular gel polish, you can just switch to the Hema free gel polish. So now I've cured the gel polish in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. You can see it's well pigmented. If you like your gel polish not too pigmented, you can just go for one coat with the KODIES gel polish. That's another thing that I love about their polish. So I'll be using this 5D gel I got from Born Pretty to make a kind of a pattern, an uneven pattern on the nail tips. It's something that just came to my head. I've been thinking of what to do to the nails. Sometimes you just want to create something nice, and it just occurred to me that I could use orange. I don't know if it actually matches, because I don't know if orange goes on pink, but I think it's going to turn out fine at the end of the day. So I'm going to be applying the orange 5D gel on the nails in an uneven pattern on all the nail tips, and I will cure it in the UV lamp also for 60 seconds before I use my the silver painting gel to do my final design. So on the AliExpress storefront for KODIES gel, they have different colors for the Hema free gel polish. I just decided to take the nude because I know nude sits well with a lot of people. I know a lot of companies are going have their like Hema free products as well, but this one I've got, I love it. And I'm going to be buying more because I have some customers that actually react to regular gel polish. So if you're still watching me and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, just click on the subscribe button below to join the family. Also, if you would like me to review your product, you can send an email to glitterspolish15@gmail.com. I'll leave my email address, the correct spelling of my email address in the description box so that you can have the correct one. So this is where I'll be saying goodbye for my today's tutorial. I'll be playing some cover songs for you by Kristin. She's a YouTuber based in the UK. I love cover songs. It's been a while I've gone to her channel to see some new ones. As soon as I'm able to get some new ones, I'm going to be using them as well. I'm going to leave in the link to her YouTube channel also in the description box so that you can check her out and use her songs. Just give her the credit when you do. So till next time, guys, take care and have a lovely week. Bye.
Wavy. On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you. some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking. 'Cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby. Everybody used to say, no one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. Love till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need. Gave you all you need. Gave you all, and you give me all you need. Give you all you need. Gave you all, make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all, make I give you all you need. Baby, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my, only you feel my, only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby boy. I want you there, but I want you there. Promise to treat your love fair. Whoa, 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 whoa. When we touch, how we connect. How we connect. Said this love have no regret. You don't need no other. You don't need no other. Only you feel my body. And you are that somebody. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. Wavy. Woman don't suffer, oh, lower everybody. Suffer for amen. Rejoice for heaven. Man, he no like woman. Woman no like woman. She no be like